NPO, Pilipino na Kaisa. Sinong group leader natin? Anong masasabi mo sa grupo natin muna?
Ang masasabi ko is, thank you everyone for yung effort, yung dance. Ang daming like not good things that happened, but at least nakadance kami and we can perform for all of you. So, thank you so much for watching.
Very nice. Okay, hinga ka muna. Yes. Gaano katagal kayo nag-practice?
Like around 2 or 3 months. So yeah, time.
Kala ko 3 minutes eh. Galing ah. Okay. At next up. Right. So ano ba ang future ng grupo na to? Gusto niyo bang magtuloy-tuloy into the pro?
Well, as of now, it's not clear. Hindi pa masyado clear. But if gusto pa ninyo ng dance, similar to these ones, then if may support, then we'll definitely continue it. Okay?
Alright. Yes po.
Grace Nakamura po. Actually, this year, the NPO Hojin Filipino na Kaisa is celebrating for 30 years anniversary po namin sa December. Hope, meron po kaming homepage and Facebook, NPO Filipino na Kaisa. Maraming salamat. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu.
Yes, 30 years. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you once again. Let's give them a round of applause. NPO Filipino na Kaisa, all the way from Hamamatsu City, Shizuoka. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Arigatou gozaimashita.
Thank you.